Alright, so here is a Hunter Infinity ceiling fan in bright brass with oak blades reversible to, I believe, walnut or cherry wood blades, or rosewood blades. I acquired this fan at the Habitat last week, and, or actually a couple weeks ago, and I really do like it. I did not expect to actually find an infinity like this, but I did. So this thing looks gorgeous, as all Hunter Infinities do. The bulbs in the light kit that you see right now, 3 of them are from the craft made in the living room, and 1 of them is from the quorum in that little unknown area where the dining table used to be. But yeah, I just got done installing this for the video, and it looks pretty nice. I might actually keep this up in here for a little while, just because it is so nice. I got one more fan to install after this, but I'm also considering putting this in the living room. It just looks that good, and I think with the brass and how the windows are, like on a hot sunny summer day, the sunlight that comes in through those windows, reflecting off the gloss blades and brass, is going to look like really, really nice and sort of nostalgic to me. But as you can see, I have my lights around my room on, just to kind of give that nice that nice surrounding light look, I guess. The light is very bright in this thing, like very, very bright. So I'll go ahead and start. Oh, first, show off the fan. I have to use like a makeshift tripod setup because the clip that goes on my tripod is missing, so I have to use like the bendy tripod that my GoPro usually uses. So go ahead and show the fan. Move this fan out of the way. Very gorgeous looking. Came with that little house pole chain. There's a Hunter badge. There's that blade. I was looking at the camera screen and that seemed to have turned out well. Just flip the screen back around. Center that up. My head. I'll go ahead and start off with the light. This is very bright. Yeah, you can see this light bulb is a different color, unfortunately. I didn't get light bulbs when I bought this thing. You can see the tag up there was $14. I think it was $15. Extremely good price for a fan like this. And that's my parents talking in the background. They're about to leave.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna leave.
Okay. And, anyways, go ahead and turn off the light. And go ahead and start on low. It does have a slight hum. That doesn't bother me. Never bothers me. In fact, I actually kind of like it. And my windows are double paned, so whatever sound outside happens, it echoes around in there. It makes a really annoying sound, robotic sound. So sorry about that. Figured I'm going to start doing spin down on my fan videos from now on. So yeah, it moves a good amount of air on low. Love this thing so much. It came with this clear box and 2 cradles for some reason. It came with this one. There was also a Lasco like a green Lasco ceiling fan as well, but I didn't get it because it wasn't in a box. It was actually all put together for some reason. I don't know why Habitats do that, but here's the first one. And here's the second one. It came with two. For some weird reason. I might actually use this one for my my view fan, to be honest, because the cradle that my view fan uses is from another ceiling fan that I might put up that I might put up in my dad's house to replace the Panama 2 for personal reasons. Mainly just to do a remake in here. I'll turn the light back on. It has a very springy light pole chain. For some reason. And the brightness is okay. Very nice. Sorry about this. Different colored light bulb. It's got two daylights and a soft white. So, go and kick it up to medium. Just has a generic fob for the speed selector. There's another ceiling fan that I had gotten as well at the same time as this one that is at my dad's house. Probably not going to do a video of that one for a little while. It's just a generic hugger though. It does have a bit of a wobble. It's actually worse on medium than high. And, almost forgot to mention this, it has mismatched glass. This thing didn't come with glass, and I wasn't just about to buy it without glass. So, I found these nice shades. I couldn't find another set of them, so I just got these frosted ones. But I do like these. It actually doesn't look too bad mismatched. Alright, I'll go ahead and kick it up to high. The wobble on high is not as bad as the light kit makes it out to look. If you pay attention to the motor on the fan, it's very minimal. But when you come down to the switch housing and light kit, it makes it look extremely bad. It's because the light kit is kind of loose for some reason. Alright. Whoa, almost fell for no reason at all. Flip the screen. Turn off the light. Thinking of installing this in the living room to replace the Craftmade. Craftmade works good, but I think this will look really nice. I just said I was going to install this in the living room, didn't I? Probably within the next day or two. Alright, and we'll go ahead and turn it off. And spin down. I'm going to start doing spin down from now on. And then after this, I will flip the blades over so you can see the other side of them, as well as doing reverse. So, this thing has a pretty good spin down. The Hugger ceiling fan that I have is not even a minute. It has pretty crappy bearings in it. I'm not even sure if I'll even do a video of it. mean, it's very generic. Hopefully my camera doesn't run out of memory. It doesn't have that much. Yeah, it's got plenty. Fortunately, this video is not going to be in 60 FPS because I have to edit it together to put to reverse the blades around and stuff like that. Oh, it doesn't look that bad on this fan, but I think the other side is going to look even better. Alright, as you know, I used to not do spin down because of how long it takes usually. But it's not a full cycle of a fan without spin down, really. Starting and stopping, really. So, I'll go ahead and flip the blades over now. And, yeah. Alright, so here the fan is with the, other side facing down. It's quite tedious to do that because, well, the back screw is like facing towards the top of the motor on the motor housing, and I can't reach it. So I have to take the light kit off, take each blade down one by one, reverse them and put them back up, and put the light kit back up. So I was kind of a pain in the ass. I had to take the globes off and light bulbs off and shit like that. So, anyways, here it is with the other side facing down. So we'll go ahead and reverse it. Now reversed. Turn the light on. You can see those blades pretty good. Yeah, they look really nice. I'll go ahead and show them off. They are a little bit dirty. My tripod decided to turn. And then up there is the oak side. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, set the camera back down, flip this back around, and turn off the light, and start on low. This is what I'm going to be using it on for the majority of the day. And if later tonight I feel like installing the Hunter Oasis, I will do that. The fan that I did an unboxing video of. Don't worry, I repacked it. I didn't open anything on it. I just repacked it. If that made sense. So yeah, maybe later today it'll be installed for the first time. I think this thing has a little bit of bearing noise. Yeah, just a slight bit of bearing noise. Lights up my room really well. This side of the blades especially I like. Cook it up to medium. It's a good pull chain feel as well. Don't think it wobbles as much as on reverse. Yeah, it's just wobbling a slight bit. And high. Just making the coasters move around and stuff. Yeah, it does not wobble as much on reverse. Maybe it's because I flipped the blades around or something. Light off. And we'll go ahead and turn it off. Flip it to downdraft so it'll stop quicker. It does hum a little bit. And there you go. So there is my 52-inch bright brass oak reversible to walnut or rosewood Hunter Infinity ceiling fan. So anyways, thank you for watching, and have a good day or night.